Well guys, the bike is now registered. All the wiring is done. Let me show you everything turned on. So there's speedo, 2 lights next to it. One is a neutral light and one is for the fuel. So if I'm low on fuel, that light will come on. Now, these switches here. So we're on the right here. You see indicators. And if you hold it down for a certain amount of time, they stay on for longer, so they're on a timer. And obviously the other side does the other indicator. This is high beam. No, sorry, that one's the other indicator. The bottom one here is high beam. So you can see it flashing up against the door there, and if you hold it for a certain amount of time, it will stay on. So, and then you've got that start there, stop, and that's horn. Right, that's horn. Yeah. Just chuck the seat on, and thought I'd try the air filter I bought. It fits pretty good. So instead of running the velocity stack that I had, thought I'd try that. The only thing I've lost for some reason is my fuel tap, so I need to find that, and we'll be able to give it a go and fire it up.